Finished up working on a Kubota B2601 tractor motor backhoe. Interested in watching me take the backhoe off and put it back on. Now we're going mountain biking. Right, let's see if we have enough memory, battery to get this backhoe on and off. Let's give her a crack of throttle. This pin out. Is that the right one? There we go. For a quick 90, 45, flat on the ground. Destabilizes just off the ground. Couple inches is fine. Little down pressure. Put my hand here, grab onto there. Grab these pins once they free up. Boom. Maybe a little more. Free up a little more. That one's got holes for you. Perfect. And now we'll get those feet right on the ground. Perfectly on the ground. And then we're going to roll out, pushing my thumb against that joystick. So roll on out. Look at that. Boom. Done. Neutral, idle down, shut it down. You want to make sure you're on a perfectly flat surface doing this. Not something you want to do on a hillside or in the mud on the side of your yard. It's just not a great idea. Although you can do it. And on this one here, the blue one, that goes there. Yellow connects to the red. That's the hydraulic loop. You physically can't put male fitting to male fitting. It's a little tough. Might be able to do it in Rhode Island, but I don't know. Male on female. Boom. We're out. We're in. And you're off. Alright. If you do leave it like this, I'd probably cut a piece of board, make a block. Make a big giant dolly. Whatever you want to do. Alright, eventually you're going to want to back into it. Just like that. Eventually, all these colors will make sense now. Yellow. Blue. Red. Always important to connect these dust covers. Else they get full of crap and not do their job. Start the equipment up. Tap the throttle. And we just gotta lower back in. Just off the ground. Just off the ground. And there. Nice and easy. Boom. Looking good. Well, hope that was helpful. No transitions, no funny stuff. That took about 4 minutes. Any questions, please talk to my salespeople. They're really good. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I'd like to say thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'd like to take a moment, thumbs up button, subscribe button. That would be awesome. Oh, really? motivate me to keep on keeping on. And if you'd like to follow me through this next section, I have yet to make this next hill climb. Ciao, Zeus. Come on. Go, go, go. Come on, Zeus, I'm coming. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's the first time I've ever made that hill climb. I guess all you have to do is put a GoPro camera on. Whew. Susie, almost ran you over. We just filmed that in narrow. It's gonna come out horrible. Well, hope you all have a great night and see you next time. Okay, baby. Well, happy Memorial Day, everybody. I don't talk. See you soon. You coming, Squeak? Excuse me. Can you get any closer?